I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my book, Rediscover Algebra and Geometry, which is filled with excellent examples, including the one we are going to solve here. Now, in the book, we have many videos to support. This will be a part of our book also, a supporting video for solution. Question here is x plus 1 over x equals to 5 proves that x square equals to 5x minus 1. Hence, find the value of 4x over 3x square minus 5x plus 3 equals to 2 by 5. Now, to make it easy for students, we have actually provided you with answers, and it is the steps which require creative thinking which you need to develop to get to the answer. And let us see how it all helps. Well, in case you have any questions, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute at gmail.com. So let's begin with what is given to us, which is x plus 1 over x equals to 5. Now, we can take common denominator of x. In that case, we'll get x squared plus 1 equals to 5. Now cross multiply, so x squared plus 1 equals to 5x, and so x squared equals to 5x minus 1. Now it looks very simple, right? Since we have already provided you with first layer of solution. That is, when you are given this kind of an expression, you can find what x square is in terms of x. Once you've done that, let's go to part B, which is now working with the expression which is 4x over 3x squared minus 5x plus 3. Now, in this particular case, since we found what x squared is, we're going to substitute this value. So 3 times x squared is 5x minus 1. And we have minus 5x plus 3. So that will give you 4x on the top. So that will give you 4x on the top, and open the bracket. We get 15x minus 3 minus 5x plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 cancel. We have 4x over 15x minus 5x is 10x. So that simplifies to x and x cancel, 4 over 10, and that is 2 over 5, correct? So we know now this expression is indeed equal to 2 over 5. Makes sense. Normally in the test, they will straight away tell you to find the value of the expression 4x over 3x squared minus 5x plus 3. Here, we have provided you steps to get to the result and develop a creative thinking. That is where our book comes handy. Rediscover Algebra and Geometry really develops that mindset for competition. I hope you find it interesting and useful. That is the beauty of my book. Rediscover Algebra and Geometry will walk you through the journey, which you will feel at every step, yes, this is what I wanted to know. That will help. And that kind of wow factor will come after reading this book. I recommend it for you all. Thank you and all the best.